YouTube lovies, I'm back at it with you guys, and I'm gonna do something a little bit different, something that I have not yet done. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys. It's really just like a simple like basic glow look, I would say. Just kind of like what I do, like if I'm not trying to be extremely like out there festive or anything. I'm just trying to, you know, have a little bit of makeup on and step out into the place like but okay, let's just get into the video. Let's just get into it. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with this. This is the Pixie Skin Treats Makeup Fixing Mist, and it has rose water and green tea. So I'm just gonna spritz this on my face just to like prep it a little bit. But I definitely felt the need to get a makeup video out because one of my elementary school classmates Snapchatted me and was like, "Oh, do you do makeup? Because my girlfriend loves makeup videos." And I was like, "I do makeup, actually. I just haven't put it up yet." But so this is for you, Doris. Yes, I hope your girlfriend likes it. All right, so let me just let this dry a little bit more. Okay. Off with this. This is the Fenty Beauty matchstick in caramel. And I just put this like as a highlighter, but kind of like a base for my highlighter. And I'm just gonna put it on all over areas that are more like prone to being like all my dark spots. Just gonna get it all on there, you know what I'm saying? You know what we doing. A little bit up there. Cause you know, girl hasn't got her eyebrows done in a while. Cause I'm trying to let them, even though my eyebrows are really thick in general, but I'm trying to let them like grow out and fill out more. Cause like one of this side, they kept on like messing with the tail and kept on like cutting it in. So I was like, I'm gonna let me grow out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the matchstick in Truffle by Fenty Beauty. And I'm just gonna use this one because it's darker, and I'm gonna use it to contour a little bit. And we're gonna get it like that. And then I shall be using the Fenty Beauty foundation. And this is the color, this is in the color 430. It's the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your Fenty. Shake your Fenty, girl. Shake your Fenty. Okay. And it's gonna plop out my beauty blender for you guys. Got a little, and I'm just gonna like squirt it directly on my face. You know, get a little dollop for daisies. And put the little excess on there. And then we're just gonna blend it out. And this foundation is like really amazing. It's like plug, like this is like the best foundation I've ever had. Liquid foundation, and I usually don't even use liquid foundation like on a regular. I legit just use those sticks and concealer. But since I'm doing this makeup tutorial, I might as well glam it up for you guys. Alright, now that that's all blended in, let me go ahead and just buff it out a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Alright, and we're gonna go in with this. This is the NARS concealer in mid to dark for hazelnut. So we're just gonna go in with this one, and we're gonna go underneath my eyes to highlight that area. Like so. And you know we're gonna have to get it on the eyebrow. I'm about to walk into the salon like, I need eyebrows. I need my eyebrow. Yeah, we just gonna. Oh my gosh, I'm back with you guys. Sorry, my phone died, so I had to blend in all my concealer because I didn't want it to dry on my face like that. But anyways, so now that everything's blended in, I'm gonna go ahead and put some pressed powder, blotting powder, and this is blot powder by pressed powder by MAC. It's the violet one. It's a holy grail, you know, and it's in the shade dark. So I'm just gonna grab this brush. Got what I say? And go like this. Get it in there. And then go under here, underneath my eyes, places that like to crease or get oily, which is my T-zone. But I'm still gonna put it everywhere. And this blotting powder is really great for darker skin complexion women and or men. Don't discriminate. Just because it doesn't make your skin ashy or anything. It just legit does what it's supposed to do. It like makes your skin oil free. Okay. And I have this little sample MAC Stroke Cream Hydrant Luminous. This little guy. So I think I'll go ahead and try this out for you guys on this look. Excuse me. My goodness. Alright. Not trying to give y'all too much of a show. Excuse the M. Night Shyamalan out of me. But so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with this a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Gucci on my shoe racks. And but I am also gonna, you know, really get the highlight going for you. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and scoop it in, and then go like this. Go like that, go like this, go like that. Bow. And we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated. This little guy right here. And I'm about to show y'all this one because it's really the go yard. Like, look at this. Look at this color. Like, is this not life affirming or what? It's so pretty. Like, let me swatch it for you guys. Like, it's really like life goals. I don't know if you can really see it, but let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. It's so cute. Look at him glow. Look at him glow. But okay, so I'm going to take this little feathery brush and get some of this product Hola and just go right over the MAC and just get them like that. Get them going like that. Okay. Can we get the people going? Thank you. Oh, she got out of cell. Go like that. Can we get the people going? Thank you. Like, goodness. Goodness. We're gonna get the people going. Like, we really getting the people going. What? What do you mean? Like, we straight really got the people going. So, you know, I really need the new Fenty Body Lava. Like, I just watched a video of it of Jackie and Nina or something like that, but I'm gonna link her, probably her channel. But yeah, I was like, girl, you demonstrated it properly, perfectly, and lumptuously. You make me want to go get everything, but I'm gonna just stick to the what's it called, the Who Needs Clothes, and probably the kabuki brush. But the powder ball, it's so freaking cute. Like, it's just like so cute, like girly and stuff. So I might get that too. I don't know yet though. But I'll when I get them, you know, I'll be doing a review. So just stick to it. Stick with us. Stick with me. Brandon Clee on the map. So, but all right. So back onto my makeup tutorial. So now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This is the Always One Coat Mega Volume. It's okay. Like, I don't really. This is just mascara, and I'm just gonna go in like so. You know, we really gotta get the people going. And I'm pretty sure I just got a little bit of spillage on my lid. I don't need any excess though. Gucci on my shoe rack. Alright, I do believe now I'm done. Simple, fast, and easy makeup, like glowy, just like when you step into the place, everybody's just like, who is she? OMG, her highlight is on T. Okay, baby. Yes, baby. That's how you gotta, you know, how you gotta set the tone. Set the tone right for Chokella, for freaking Rolling Loud. Any festival you about to go to, you know you better have your highlight on 10. And you better get the Body Lava on clean. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so. But thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.